Welcome to our new property tour. Today we are in a luxury wine estate in Panzano, in the heart of Chianti. Actually, this is a jewel in the heart of Tuscany, known for its world-renowned wines, rolling vineyards, and timeless charm. We are less than 1 hour from Florence and Siena, and just minutes away from the renowned village of Panzano and Castellina in Chianti. This exceptional estate is more than just a retreat. It's a strategic investment, a fully operational agricultural estate. This estate not only grows exceptional grapes for one of the most prestigious wineries in Italy and Europe, and produce exquisite extra virgin olive oil. It also crafts its own signature wines with the registered labels, exported to the USA. I will reveal the price at the end of the video. Stay with us. The property has a total surface of about 1,400 square meters and is composed by 3 independent villas, 18 bedrooms and 20 bathrooms in total, 3 outdoor pools, spa areas with 2 indoor pools, and 17 hectares of land, premium wine and olive production. Let's begin with the main villa, a beautifully restored Tuscan farmhouse set over 4 levels. Step inside, you will find an harmonious blend of antique charm and modern luxury. The interiors feature exposed wooden beams, light and neutral tones, and French and Italian antique furnishings. On the main floor, the villa offers a bright living area with a fireplace and a spacious kitchen with direct access to an outdoor patio, perfect for alfresco dining. The sleeping area of the main villa is composed of 7 luxurious double bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms. And here we are in the master suite with the jacuzzi tub. Moving upstairs, the villa featured a romantic tower suite with panoramic views of the vineyard and cypress-lined hills. The jewel of the villa is the wellness area, a Syrian spa featuring an indoor pool, a lounge bar, and a thoughtfully designed lighting system that create an atmosphere of ultimate relaxation. The second villa, once the estate's original wine cellar, is now a contemporary residence with a traditional character. Set over 2 levels, offers a generous and bright open-plan living area with a professional kitchen and direct access to an elegant outdoor dining space. The sleeping area features 7 refined bedrooms, each with its own ensuite bathroom and jacuzzi tubs, ensuring the best of comfort and privacy for all the guests. Now we are in the third villa, one of the estate's stable. It's a charming 2-level home, blending the Tuscan style with the modern elements. The ground floor features 4 ensuite double bedrooms connected by an hallway that opens onto the lush garden. A grand staircase leads to an elegant living area, where French doors frame the spectacular Chianti landscape. Adjacent to the dining room, the villa spa and relaxation area features a scenic indoor pool and a design-lit lounge bar and a stone terrace with jacuzzi, all with the panoramic views over the Tuscan hills. Whether you're looking to invest in Italy's thriving agriculture or hospitality sectors, host unforgettable family gatherings and retreat, or simply enjoy la dolce vita, this estate in Panzano in Chianti is a rare gem, where tradition and luxury coexist in perfect harmony. Thanks to its unique layout, the 3 independent villas can be rented out simultaneously, offering excellent potential for high-yield rental income alongside premium wine and olive oil production. You can own this stunning property for a price of 13 million euros. So contact us to discover our portfolio in Chianti and see you soon in the next property tour. Ciao!